Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. So today we're making a video on how you can fix your own flat tire, or if you have a nail and the tire's low and you obviously know that one of them tires got to have a nail in it. So make a video on that. Not that I have it right now, my buddy does, so we're gonna fix it on his tire. I'll show you the process. And we also launched a new product, tire inflator, with wire, with a 12-volt cigarette accessory, or without it, wireless as well. So we're gonna go and make a video on that. Super easy. Nowadays they be charging like 50 bucks for a flat tire fix, maybe 40 bucks. Comment below what they charge you in your state. New York here, like they usually charge like anywhere from $30 to $50. It's crazy. All right, so once you twist that tire all the way, because this is the lowest one, so twist it all the way and go really slow while the other person inspected. So basically I use the glass cleaner or Windex. It works perfect. As you can see, bubbles up a lot. Really slow what you call it, leak, but still, you know, look at that, all the bubbles coming up. So once that's removed, just put the parking brakes on and shut off the car, and then we'll take that out and kind of use that kit that's on my site to plug it back in, and we'll inflate it, the same product that we just launched as well. A little bit more. That's crazy. Then just cut off, make sure you spray again, and then cut off the excessive. And no more leak. Now just cut it off. The blade works too. That's it. Next time, next one we're gonna be inflating it with that new kit. So it's pretty cool. The bag got two sides. So on the other side you got the cigarette lighter outlet, and you can connect it with that if you're out of charge or whatnot, and you can also charge it that way too. You got a USB as well, type C, and then you got that extension as well for the tire pressure right here. Extension. You have the other kit, small fuse as well for a replacement, other stuff for like a basketball or a tire, a bicycle type of thing. So you can put this as a locking mechanism for the tire. If you want to do it like that way, just extend that with the tire. You don't need to use that depending on how far you're reaching, but that's what you get in the kit. So put everything aside. We'll take this baby out right here. Check it out. I don't need that, so I'll just take it off. So that's what it is. There's a light as well, and I assume the battery's dead. So, but yeah, since I haven't charged it, this is it. So if I haven't charged it, the battery's kind of dead. So what I'm gonna do is use a cigarette lighter port, and it's pretty long wire, so it could reach far distances. And we'll set the pressure, which for this vehicle is 36 psi for the front and rear. So we're gonna put 36 on this and let it do its thing. And yeah, it's got really cool features. Check it out. And then yeah, we'll just put it to use right now. There. So we're gonna use that kit in my site. Set it to psi. We'll see what it's at right now. It's at 17.3, so we gotta set this to 36. I mean, this will tell you we just connected it, and yeah, it locks in really nice too. All right, so you can lock that in place. And I got same thing here. I did release some air from that while I was doing that. As you can see, the number right here as well. And we're gonna set this to 36. So as you can see, get the camera down, set this to 36. And where is it? 36 is good right there. And then press that button right here, on and off button, and it should start. And you can see how quick it's going up. See that? So it was at 17, now it's at 19 PSI. So I would definitely buy it. Because again, RedLineMods only gets the high quality stuff, not the very cheap stuff that you get people do with drop shipping and stuff like that. So check it out. It's actually going up quick, it's perfect. We have a light on the side too, as you can see. Well, it's not dark out, so we got flashing, strobe. Yep, normal, I guess for safety and stuff like that. So, but yeah, now we're already at 22 PSI. There you go. So that's amazing. It's gonna stop on its own at 36 PSI. Because we said, so it should stop at 36, almost there. Alright, we almost at 34.5, 35, and then 36, it should stop. Let's test it out. We'll use this guy again as well to confirm for you guys. Alright, so at 36 it stopped automatically, alright? So we're good to go. That's out, and then we'll test it out here. Yeah, 36.2, counted 36.2, so we're right there on the spot. Yep, so we're at 36, fam, we're good to go. And that's it, pretty much straightforward. If you're stuck on the side of the road and stuff like that on a highway, long trips, guess what? You can do it yourself. That's how easy it is. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars, not even thousands, let's be realistic, a couple hundred if you do a tow truck or whatnot. If you do a tire repair at a shop, you know what you're looking at. So you can do this all yourself. And that's how easy it is. You're good to go, fam. Peace out until next time. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Appreciate your support. And for these products, the link's in the description below as well.